We all know what happens when snow tries to come inside. Flashback to Frosty the Snowman's tragic meltdown moment. While real snow isn't exactly a feasible interior decor option, we don't even like going out in it. Faux glowing snowballs can go anywhere, even the warmest and coziest of living spaces. You'll need clear ornaments, spray adhesive, a drop cloth, glass frosting spray, Epsom salt, and fairy lights. First, remove the hanger from the ornaments. Spray the frosting spray all over the surface. Once the frosting spray has fully dried, apply the spray adhesive. Carefully roll the ornament over the Epsom salt to coat the surface. Respray and recoat as needed until the surface is covered by the salt and allowed to fully dry. Insert the fairy lights into the opening of the ornaments. One strand of fairy lights can be used in multiple snowballs. Arrange with evergreen branches or other natural elements. On the fly, DIY.